buy Kenya what is made here.
Jatend migao mar wuoth Kipchumba Murkomen nocho wang'e romo mar keto kogne orak ma jotich e kind jagoro mongirore migepe mag apaya kod mar wuoth kod piny owacho e lok tich mar migao no. Murkomen nonyiso jogoro mongirorego ni mondo joneni otiyo matek ma chopo ageta margi ma neno ni Jo-Kenya yudo kony mowinjore kowuok e bad migao no.
I want to hear this thing of, in any case, I'm a president's appointment.
We were told.
No, so I called the chair. I hear you have a meeting. So you're not here. I want to request all of us to take this exercise very seriously. We're going to sign, yes, the performance contract, but also let's take the contents of what we've written very seriously. We had a very good meeting with the managing directors and the management here on the other week in Naivasha. We are organizing another meeting with all the board members. This ministry is extremely important, and this department is extremely important for the people of Kenya because we do a lot insofar as trade facilitation is concerned. We facilitate business, both movement of people and goods. And so the investment in this sector, everything to do with facilitating this movement has an impact on Kenyans and beyond. So road transport, whether it is the railway, whether it is the airport, whether it's the port, everything here determines the image of Kenya to the world.